안녕하세요, it's Jia. Today I'm back with another great recipe. Let's make soy sauce pickle. Most Korean families has their own recipe for pickles, and today I want to share my recipe with you. Let's get started. We want to start from making a sauce. I'm using a small pot, heat it in a low heat, and this is 2 cups of soy sauce. This is regular dark soy sauce. And in here, I'm adding 1 cup rice wine, 1 cup of mirin, and 1 cup of sugar. We want to cook this sauce until sugar dissolves. So cook in a low heat for about 3 minutes or so. In the meantime, let's cut the vegetables. If the sauce looks warm, you can turn off the heat. Thinly slice the radish. Let's cut everything in a bite-sized pieces. Let's cut 2 cucumbers into 1 centimeter slice. I really like the crispy texture of pickled cucumbers. Hard vegetables are mainly used for pickles. Use vegetables of various textures. It will be much fun when eating. Next is red cabbage. Let's cut them into big bite-sized pieces. Red and white onions have the same texture, but they have different levels of sweetness, so pickling them together in a soy sauce mixture makes it fun to eat. Lemon is the key ingredient in this pickle. The fresh and fragrant aroma of lemon makes this pickle even more delicious. Chilies are totally optional. I like spicy, so I'm adding 3 chilies to it. The chili peppers has lots of seeds. I don't mind, but if you want to remove a little bit, you can put this in a cold water and just lightly stir or shake it, and then put out from the water. The ingredients are all prepared. Now the sauce. I turned off the heat because the sauce was pretty warm, and I'm waiting until it cools down to a room temperature, and then we're going to add the rice vinegar to it to make it a little bit sour. So I'm adding 1 cup of rice vinegar to it, and then we want to put everything in a container and then pour the sauce to it. There is no order of adding ingredients to the jar. I prefer to add each ingredient rather than mix it all together, just because it's prettier to do that. This pickle goes well with rice, but I often put it in my sandwiches. The flavors of soy sauce, vinegar, and lemon goes pretty well with sandwiches. It looks gorgeous. I have a few different recipes for pickles, and this is one of my favorite. Lemon goes perfect with soy sauce. This is salty, sweet and sour, and has nice kick from the chilies. Korean meal normally consists of rice, kimchi, fish or meat or tofu, and there's always small plate of pickles, and most families has their own recipe. Today I shared my recipe with you, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.